Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your new home. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house sits on almost half an acre of flat, fertile land and is located in a cool and relaxing atmosphere on the outskirts of Mandeville, just 5 minutes away from the heart and buzz of the town. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.